Good morning children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 22, that is story of a pot. Okay, here you are going to learn about explain that the human beings began to prepare different things to fulfill their basic needs with the example of pot and wheel. Discuss the changes that have taken place over the years in the use of pot. Prepare models of pots using clay. Okay. Homework for you. You know that many things are essential in your daily life. Okay. Write any 5 in the given space. Okay. We need many specialty in our daily life. At least you have to write 5 things. Food is necessary, air is necessary, water is necessary, clothes are also necessary. Okay. Then you need food every day and observe how it is prepared in your house. Without food you can't grow, you can't live also. Then what things are required to prepare the food items and write here. Okay. Raw materials of food is needed, water, okay, gas, vessel, like that. You already know about the use of various types of utensils to prepare food items and to store water in the house. Generally, what materials are used to make the utensils? Write at least 5 materials. Okay. From which material utensils are prepared? Okay. Aluminium, metal, steel, okay, mud. And here, do you know the materials which were used to make utensils in olden days? In olden days, which utensils is used? That is pot. Okay. See, this is the clay, and after that they are smashing the clay, and then they are doing the which type of utensils they need, and then they are giving the proper shape to the utensils. And what materials are used to make pots? And right here, what type of materials are used? Clay, water, okay, like that many materials are used to make a pot. Why do we use the pots? Why do we use the pots? Especially in summer we use pots, because in summer there are some hot season, then we need cold water. In pot, water will be cold. Okay. And this is homework for you. What you have to do, go to the place of making pots and see the method of making pots and write 2 lines about it. Okay. Near your house, is there any making pots place? You have go to that pot and see how they are doing the pot. Look at the pictures given below. Do you find any difference and tell the difference? Okay. In right hand side are the materials which we are using now. In left hand side they are using in the olden days. Okay. In the olden days they are preparing the food in the pot, but they are firing. But now we are preparing the food on so many types of utensils are there, and we will use gas now. In olden days they are stored water in the pot, and now we are storing the water in the water tank. See, in olden days utensils and nowadays utensils. Okay. And one activity for you, you have to do. Okay. Ask the elders at your home and locality and know about the things that were used in the past. Okay, in olden days which things are used, and observe the things that are being used now in your home. Okay, in olden days which things are used, you have to make 2 columns. Okay, in first column you have to write in olden days which things are used. For example, pots are also bullock cart, horse cart are used in the olden days. Now we are using utensils, car, auto rickshaw, like that. And another homework for you, make a small pots with clay, put water or a grains in them, and keep them outside for the birds. Okay, you only make pot by using clay and put some grains in them and put outside to eat the birds. Learn to make clay models of objects like a fish, fruit, vase, small pot for collecting money, etc. Okay, this one you have to do. Okay children, have you understood? Thank you. We will meet in the next class.